everybody, I'm Shelby.
And I'm Danielle.
And today we're talking about one of our favorite pasta alternatives, Banza. Banza is also vegan
And non-GMO.
and we're whipping up a batch for you guys today, and we also made a homemade cashew vegan cheese recipe to put on top, so we're making our version of a healthier mac and cheese today.
So Banza also has double the amount of fiber as regular pastas, so you get to eat a little bit less, but you'll feel more full.
I like it.
It's delicious.
It's very good. It has the same texture as regular pasta, but it's a little bit starchier, but still good. And I feel like this type of pasta would hold up really well in a thicker type sauce because it is a little bit starchier and thicker.
I honestly wouldn't know the difference.
There you go. Well, if you guys like this type of video, or you like Banza, or there's another pasta alternative out there that you would like to see us try, leave us a comment down below and we will get to cooking.
And make sure if you like this video to subscribe to LuckyVitamin's channel so that we can produce more videos like this for you.
And as always,
Spread the wellness.